The Cebu City Police Office, together with the Department of Health, conducted a bloodletting activity through the celebration 𝗔𝗃𝗴𝗁 in line with the celebration of International Women's Month. According to Police Lieutenant Colonel Wilbert Parilla, Deputy City Director for Operation of the CCPO, this is the first time to conduct such activity wherein majority of their blood donors were police women. 40 out of the 60 who underwent screening were successful blood donors.
Usually man good ang female, doon ay consideration especially sa ilahang men's period, no? So muna nga pero karon atong gidaghanan ang ato ang mga female nga donors.
Among the common reasons for failing the screening process was the lack of hemoglobin due to stress or improper sleep.
Naray na defer ma'am ug wala ka pasar sa ato ang screening. And most of them gikan ka nag-night duty, so dili mo siya dapat kuhaan. Ang uban ay problema sa hemoglobin, some of them tagas and some of them are low.
The police aims for this to be an annual activity among their police women. The 𝗲𝗃𝗴𝗁, on the other hand, said that they are no longer experiencing a blood supply shortage, especially now that their partner agencies have started working with them again. Meanwhile, 500 bags of hope were distributed to the residents of Olango Island this morning at Barangay Santa Rosa Gym, which were given by the organization called 𝗱𝗏 𝗂𝗃 Cebu in partnership with the 𝗍𝗏𝗄𝗏 city government. Aside from the relief goods inside the bags, the beneficiaries were also given miniature Jubilee crosses.
Pasalamatan ang atong pagsilibra sa atong pagtuo nga gikan pa diay sa atong mga katigulangan. Ingon ana ang atong pagtuo nga atong gilig-on nga bisan pa man sa udet, walay makatandog sa atong pagtuo. Amen.
Olango Island was one of the most badly hit areas by Typhoon Odette, which is why Lapu-Lapu City Mayor Jonard Ahong Chan, in his speech during the event, said that they are also planning to distribute galvanized iron sheets to the residents on the top of the 5,000 cash assistance given by the city following the super typhoon.
40,000 kabuok.
This has been Sheriza Uy from 𝗍𝗃𝗴𝗁 Cebu.